everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you are in search for a property that is 14 million below budget, semi-furnished, located in a secure subdivision just in the heart of Angeles City, well, this property is for you. This is perfect for first-time home buyers, small families, and this is perfect for your first investment. So stay tuned and please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. This is your facade. Very straightforward. Kitang-kita nyo na modern design home. Your lot area is 132 square meters at ang iyong floor area ay 200 square meters floor area. Sa harap, mapapansin nyo naman. So you have your fence there with metal railings. You have your concrete slats dito. That is perfect for ventilation. So yung airflow natin tuloy-tuloy lang. You have your parking area. You have your tandem carport. So pasok na tayo para mas makita ninyo. Look at the design. The color palette is more of very neutral with brown, beige, black. Ayan. This is your wide porch. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kaluwang. This is going to be your garden. Hindi pa lang po nalagay. But what's perfect about that is, halimbawa, there are certain plants that gusto nyo. So, habang inaayos, you can talk to our seller. Doon sa seller po ng property. You know, you can coordinate that. If that's how you want, or how what kind of plants do you want to put dito sa garden nyo. But definitely, this is going to be your garden. You have your plant box. Elevated siya here. Tapos ang luwang, no? Ang luwang ng porch natin. Pwede ka nga maglagay dito ng coffee table, mag-almusal ka dito. Tapos ang perfect nung concrete slats natin. These are concrete slats. Mayroon space in between, pero cement po yan. So you don't have to worry. Para lang yung airflow, mas tuloy-tuloy yung airflow natin. Dito tayo sa cutting carport. This is a parking for two because you have a tandem carport or a parallel parking, meaning magkatapat po yung mga sasakyan. At ito yung sa may likod na ng property natin. We're still figuring out or asking the seller kung ano yung plan niya for this one. And we'll update you na lang sa description in case na hindi namin makuha yung response within the shoot. So, maluwang yan sa likod. And ang hangin, no, nakikita nyo ba? Ganyan ka presko dito sa ating property. Pasok na tayo. This is semi-furnished. So, you'll see furniture din. Your solid door. Maglalagay po ng smart lock dito. Fingerprint, password, and key card. Pagpasok natin, and this is your living area. Ang ganda ng living area natin. Kasi saktong-sakto yung kanyang size. This is where you're going to put your TV, mount it there, or pwedeng nakapatong lang dito. You have blinds also, symmetrical po sila. Both sides, meron ka mga blinds. Aircon is included, of course. Meron kang fluted panel, and you have shelf dyan sa taas. Ang ganda ng fluted panel natin, no? Padiretso siyang ganyan. Para ma-emphasize yung space dito sa ating living area. Of course, that is included. Very cute naman ang ating chandelier. Ang spacious pa dito, so if you want to put, you know, like Cleopatra, lazy couch, pwede ka pa maglagay dyan. Or perfect lang yan sa mga batang nagtatakbuhan. Dining area. Dining area, have a view of your grate and your, what do you call this, your parking. Ang ganda lang dito, lalo na kapag, like for example, walang aircon or let's say brownout or whatever, pag binuksan nyo yung mga yan, dahil malalaki yung windows natin, yung ventilation, so ano pa rin, papasok pa rin at hindi mainit. Okay, this is your dining area. This is included. You have your chandelier and ang cute naman ng ating ceiling. Oh, same din pala doon sa, sa ating living area. They both have fluted panels or wood design sa ceiling natin. And they have the drop lights, so meron tayong mga cove lights. Pin lights naman sa bawat corner. This is your kitchen or your formal kitchen. Lahat ng tubo na nakikita nyo included lahat yan. Your breakfast nook, you can put stool dito, 3 or 2, depende sa laki. Drop lights na industrial yung design na. Big, wow, ang laki naman ng storage dito. So may drawers. Ayan. Preparation area. You have a spacious preparation area. Double bowl stainless steel sink. Ito pa ang yung mga cabinets. The side-by-side inverter refrigerator is included. Bago po yan. Bagong-bago. And ito yung door kanina, going out to, yeah, that's your laundry area nga pala. Laundry area and then the back of your property. Laundry area and your drying area. Sa ground floor, you also have your guest room, or if you prefer to just stay na lang sa ground floor, this can be your bedroom. Okay, makita pa natin yung mga boxes. Excuse the boxes po. Excuse the boxes. Ayan. This is a queen-size bed. Lalagyan din po yan ng bed. But the bed frame nandyan na. Queen-size bed, you have your side drawer, and of course, your built-in cabinet, side hanging lamp, and of course, the aircon included po yan. Next, you have your full bath under your stairwell. Ang ganda ng mga stones natin. Hindi ko ito napansin kanina, pero pag pala naka-stay kang ganun, ang relaxing tingnan kasi kumikinang-kinang. These are nice. Ganda. And then you have your stainless steel shower set, vessel type sink, and of course your vanity mirror. Minaximize yung space under your stairwell, which is really nice. Let's go out. Under your stairwell, meron kang space dyan. Perfect for your fur babies. Hindi natin sila kakalimutan, guys. Ang perfect kasi ng spot niya eh. Diba? There, ang luwang. Tapos hindi siya ganoon, hindi mababa. So, perfect yan. But if you want to put something else, pwede rin naman, plants, or yung mga boxes, if you want to put boxes, or kung gusto mo siyang pagawan na cabinet, pwede rin naman na pull out. Alright? And your stairwell, you have your wood handrail, metal and glass railings, and of course, meron kang view, meron kang mga wood slat dito, na meron kang view ng iyong living area. Also, kapag kasi nandun ka sa living area, kapag sarado yan, medyo visually parang masikip. Diba? Diba? Pero dahil naka-open siya, ventilation and then yung visual niya, mas magandang tignan and mas cozy, mas appealing din. Kaysa yung nakasara siya, diba? This is nice. Okay, akit na tayo. Your landing. Ito ang yung landing. Very nice ang yung chandelier. Pag-akyat natin. Itong ating second floor, rooms na lahat yung nandito. Ang ganda ng property, ang gusto ko dun sa property is that na-maximize niya yung mga spaces for the bedrooms kasi malalaki yung mga bedrooms natin. Look at this bedroom. This is your first bedroom on your second floor. You have your built-in cabinets. Perfect to sa mga ladies. Ayan, shout out po sa seller. This is so perfect kasi yung mga dresses, yung mga long gowns, perfect yan. Kasi di ba, yung mababa lang yung mga cabinets. So, hindi talaga nakalatag yung mga dresses natin. Coats, ang perfect nito. This is so nice. Here also, ayan, marami kang mailalagay na damit. Meron kang study area or this can be your vanity area if you want. And I like the color. Gusto ko yung color niya. Very malinis. May space ka pa dito. Diba? Ang ganda ng size ng ating room. This is your first bedroom on your second floor. And then, punta tayo sa right. This is the common bath. Sa common bath natin, very simple but very clean. Very neat tignan. Floor to ceiling tiles, the same color. Texture ng mga tiles natin. You have your undermount sink or lavatory sink. It's so nice. Spacious din ang iyong shower area. Stainless steel shower set. And of course, ayan, meron kang niche dito for your soap and your shampoo. Another bedroom. O, diba? Ang luwang. Ang ganda ng bedroom at ang ganda ng built-in cabinets natin. Another spacious bedroom. Ang ganda ng size niya talaga. This one, ang side na to, puro cabinets. You have shelves. You have your, ayan, para sa mga damit mo. Sa taas, meron pa. And, ayan. There you go. Alright, next. Ito na yung ating master bedroom. Your masters is, ayan. This one is for a king-size bed. Ang ganda ng iyong bed frame. And your headboard. Tapos meron kang uplighting. Ang ganda ng uplighting natin with fluted panels. And then you have side hanging lamps, side lamps. Ayan, meron ka ring drawers sa side. Ang ganda. And this is your CCTV corner. Magkakaroon ng TV dyan. No? Ang ganda ng color ng mga wood nila, no? Kasi very, ang linis tignan. Mount your TV here or pwede rin dito. And then, of course, dito tayo sa walk-in closet. Yes, you have a walk-in closet. Ang ganda nito. Hanggang dun pa siya sa dulo. Oh, may ilalagay ka pa dun sa dulo. Ito pa. At kung akala mo na yan lang, no, you have your full body mirror dito. Full body mirror, and of course, that is also your cabinet. May drawers ka naman dito. Full body mirror. Wow, o diba? O perfect, mas maraming dresses, mas maraming coats. Nice. And of course, your master bathroom. The master bathroom, this is an enclosed shower area. Pero kung mapapansin mo, hindi siya suffocating. Mataas, pero spacious dun sa taas. Spacious dun sa taas. Black stainless steel shower set. And, of course, your toilet. And vessel type yung sink mo. Hindi siya yung iba siya, diba? Vessel type sink. And then, yeah. Also noted pala that they will include heaters sa lahat ng bathroom. So, maglalagay po ng mga heaters dyan. Alright? At syempre, this is your master bedroom. So, you have your balcony. Frameless glass railing. Very pretty. Ang ganda rin ng taas niya. Safe na safe. Diba? Oh. My height is 5'5". So, kung mapapansin mo, tsaka hindi ako naka-heels. Kaya, ito talaga yung height ko. Mataas po yung kanyang frameless glass railing. Very nice siya. Alright? Ito na yung view ng harap ng ating property. It's 5:30 p.m. pala. Okay? Ayan na! That's it. So, lahat ng mga iba pang details na hindi pa namin nabanggit or those things, yung mga other additional inclusion pa, malalaman natin lahat yan sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a 2-story, semi-furnished modern home located in one of the sought-after subdivisions in Angeles City. This is in the heart of Angeles City, just like a 10-minute drive to North Luzon Expressway, and a 15-minute drive to universities and other major business establishments, schools, hospitals, markets, mall. Actually, may 10-minute nga na malapit na mall dito. So, ganon siya kalapit po sa mga major business establishment. What else? This property po, ang location ng the subdivision, this is a flood-free community with great amenities. You have your clubhouse, pool area, basketball court, badminton court, tennis court, you have your gym, and also meron din naman mga playgrounds for your kids. I did mention that this is perfect for first-time home buyers dahil yung mga iba ayaw nila yung mga bahay na may mga pool. They want just a basic home, no? Yung walang pool, hindi siya ganun ka. It's low maintenance. This is low maintenance kasi madali siyang linisin. The size is perfect. Your lot area is 132 square meters and your floor area is 200 square meters. Naglag pa ako. 200 square meters. Also, meron ka ng mga gamit. And ayan po. So, if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message us on Facebook, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok. And for sure, nakita nyo na yung reel natin, yung mga reels natin. You have our quick video, quick house tour na pinakita yung mga, na pinakita na itong property nito before pa na-launch ang ating full video. Kaya kung interested po sila, pwede na po kayong mag-book ng inyong tripping. And also, this property is open It's open for cash and bank financing. We also do assistance po sa bank financing. So yes, you can message us again sa mga platforms. Again, Facebook, Instagram. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. Follow me on TikTok, Enalalu, and Instagram, Enalalu. You can book your shippings there. Kung wala naman kayong social media handles, you can message us on different platforms. Nandyan po sa description, we have our WhatsApp, Viber, mobile numbers, and also our email. Kaya mag-message na kayo, call now. Ayan, mabilis po ang mga ganitong budget, ganitong price range na mga budgets na properties. Mabilis po ito. So if I were you, message na kayo. Sa mga viewers naman natin, if you like this video and sa mga iba pang mga subscribers, thank you so much po sa inyong for watching our videos and for commenting or supporting our content. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Enna, in Blueprint Properties, Pampanga, where your house speaks.